It begins in the fields, where the foundation of Japanese currency is grown. Each fiber is carefully handled, preserving its natural strength. From field to transport, the journey begins immediately.
Movement is constant. Time defines quality.
Here, nature meets the first stage of industry. The transformation begins as raw fibers enter the system. Raw material enters a controlled industrial flow. Every movement is guided with precision. Volume increases as materials gather for processing. Controlled release ensures uniform feeding. Consistency begins with measured control. The next stage prepares fibers for purity. At the heart of precision, the facility stands guarded and controlled.
Every entry is verified, every detail accounted for.
Inside, the process moves with disciplined flow. Coordination drives efficiency across every movement. Precision alignment ensures seamless transfer. From outside to inside, the system never pauses.
Cleaning begins where impurities are stripped away.
Movement breaks down unwanted elements with controlled force. Airflow removes what the eye cannot see. Preparation refines the material step by step.
Human precision complements mechanical accuracy.
Now purified, the fibers are ready for transformation. Here, strength is broken down to be rebuilt. Water and motion reshape raw fibers into fluid form. Refinement enhances the structure of every fiber. Controlled flow ensures uniform consistency. Only the finest material continues forward. Prepared and balanced, the material awaits its final form. Uniformity defines the strength of every sheet. Moisture is removed to lock structure into place. Pressure transforms softness into strength. Heat stabilizes the foundation of durability. The material now carries its final structural identity. Precision begins where alignment is absolute. Every micron is measured without exception.
Invisible layers strengthen every banknote's identity.
Security is built into the paper itself. Nothing escapes automated inspection. Now the material is ready for perfection. Every millimeter is controlled with absolute accuracy. Separation begins the final identity of each note. Refinement continues even at the smallest edges. Uniformity guarantees reliability in every print.
I keep bringing you useful AI-based videos. One like and subscribe. What really supports me? Watch till the end and share your thoughts in the comments.
Now the material is ready for its identity to be revealed. Before approval, every sheet faces absolute scrutiny.
Technology sees what human eyes cannot.
Every security layer must respond exactly as designed.
Durability defines trust in every note. Only perfection is allowed to continue forward. Certification is the final gate of trust.
Perfection now takes its final physical form. Every bundle is sealed for absolute protection.
Traceability ensures total control of every unit.
Storage preserves precision until the final moment. From factory floor to national distribution. And this is how modern industry transforms raw nature into trusted value.